Nano ba mga kabalen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Burrito, Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baja California. So this is located dito may San Isidro, San Fernando, Pampanga. And grabe, pagdating ko dito, very chill ha.
Nandito yung mga reggae type songs na hahanap-hanapin nyo.
Guys, if you're looking for a Mexican restaurant dito po sa San Fernando, this is one of the must visit. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yun guys, I'm in the middle of the entire property. And if you notice, meron tayong function hall or function room dito sa likod natin. And then, ito yung mga benches natin guys. So nakapalibot yung mga benches natin dito. And then doon yung pinaka main restaurant dining area natin. So that's an air-conditioned room. If you opt to, you know, dining inside, gusto mo naman al fresco type, which we are going to experience now dito. Wow! Guys, this is our table. Ayan. So generous. Thank you so much, Baja California. Again, if you notice, mga Mexican style dishes po yung ano natin dito.
Alright, so dito, meron tayong quesadilla, chili dog. So meron din tayong queso pizza. Meron tayong nachos, burgers. Meron tayong
100% pure beef.
oh, naman.
No extender, just salt and pepper daw.
So later titingnan naman natin to. So meron din tayong Kalahi spaghetti and garlic parmesan for the chicken naman.
Yes.
On the other side naman, so meron tayo ditong naked burrito. Siyempre hindi mawawala dyan yung burrito. Meron din tayong corn salad on the other side.
And then look at the ribs guys. So this is 399 pesos. Whoa, look at that. Yeah.
Siyempre sa mga drinks naman
Refreshments.
meron tayong La Princesa.
La Princesa.
And
La Borracha. That's you.
And siyempre, for dessert, meron tayong itong cheesecake and mais con hielo.
Mais con hielo. Actually, ako na-surprise ako dito. Guys, we're gonna sit down. Of course, we're gonna taste the food. And yeah, samahan niyo po kami.
Unahan natin ito sa kanila ng La Princesa.
La Princesa. Oh, wow. So, let me start with their naked burrito. Ayan.
Ako naman yung kalang garlic parmesan.
Very close to authentic. A little bit spicy and hot doon sa mga jalapeno chili. Ako, wanna try this one. This is their corn salad. Ayan. Hello guys.
O yung quesadilla.
Oh wow.
Actually, napaka-close talaga nila dun sa ano, Mexican taste. Even yung quesadilla na may cilantro.
Oh.
Yeah. I appreciate yung cilantro nila dito. Hindi siya ganun ka-strong yung lasa.
Wow.
Na ma-overpowered yung quesadilla itself. Sir, you eat yung mga ganitong pagkain. Ito yung gawin yung drink.
Actually, ano to? Terno to. Ito yung nakaterno sa mga ano, a little bit sour. Alright guys, for our dessert, yung kanilang cheesecake. So, let me try this one. Ooh, that's dripping, you know. Wow. So, ayan guys, if you're looking for Mexican food restaurant, Baja California po is located dito sa may Era Zone, San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark natin is yung San Miguel Compound.
Yes. They are open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And every Saturday po, meron po silang mga live band dito.
If you're gonna eat dun sa alfresco area nila, it's very chill.
Yes.
Now if you have meetings or corporate events, mga ganyan, they also have a function room. It can accommodate up until 35, 40.
And kung kayo naman yung family, you could also use this dining area.
Yun guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.